Dear Avinash, I do appreciate the way, the approach you have adopted in the motivation workshop which you are conducting now, making people to get motivated to realize their capability and competency to achieve the desired success in service or in entrepreneurship. The content of this workshop is very well defined. It starts with the listening skills, why they are important, how to inculcate them. The next is on persistence. Whatever you do, always be persistent. Don't get bothered about some other things. Continue your work. Then EQ and IQ. Why EQ is better always? No doubt IQ make you to enter into the service, and then it is IQ is entering into your service, but whereas it's EQ which helps you to progress in the life. Okay, then how to inculcate it, and then how one should be motivated 24/7. That is another good topic discussed in this workshop. Along with that, the topic very close to my heart, that is 10 role models in your life. Yeah, these 10 role models play a very important role in motivating ourselves, and it all depends upon who the role models you choose, whether it is your own profession or the social leaders or the leaders of high caliber which they have achieved many things in their life. So these, and the next in this workshop it is discussed is the leadership qualities, how to inculcate them, what are the good attributes of this leadership, and then how one can in day-to-day practice inculcate these attributes to achieve the leadership in whatever the field. That is very well discussed. So overall this workshop is very good for the youngsters when they're starting their either their service or they want to become entrepreneur or they want to become leaders. Then definitely it is a very good course to motivate oneself. Then I wish you and your ABC to succeed in this workshop. Continue to do such workshops and motivate the young minds to build new India. Thank you, Avinash. I wish you all the best.
Sir, good evening. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening,
sir. Already I shared the views, and again I am going to share Avinash sir and all the team. First of all, congratulate to all of you, right from the team and Avinash sir especially. The same enthusiasm, same energy. Even there were a few technical glitches, but still, sir, truly you are amazing. And number of times whenever I was connecting, whenever I was checking all the sessions, really it was really wonderful. Means day by day, what different days we have just connected. Every time I was getting completely new environment, new things, and I have learned so many things from these sessions, from all these sessions. So really thank you very much for this. But I was just waiting such type of motivational series, and Agrawal sir and the Rashmita ma'am and all the civil team has brought that, and it's really great. Thank you once again to all of you, and really it will make different types of changes in my whole attitude as well as in my mindset. Also it will change. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Vijay Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sayyid Ajit.
Yes, it is a very good session, sir. So I have 24 years of construction experience. So need such type of trainings once a year to enhance our capacity building capabilities. It need so it helps to do brainstorm sessions. It will be very helpful, sir.
I want to congratulate our wonderful motivational training workshop. I want to congratulate you, sir. I already mentioned during the sessions you have bright future as a motivational speaker and trainer. I enjoyed all the sessions for persistence, communication skill, leadership quality. Each and every session was wonderful, and I am looking forward to transformations in my personality after attending this workshop. So thank you each and everyone.
गुड इव्हनिंग सर ऑल ऑफ यू सर आपके सेशन मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे और मेरे म्हणजे माझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये खूप फरक पडलाय आणि इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन थे सब और मैंने सब अटेंड किए हैं और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you so much, Avinash sir, for truly wonderful and inspiring session. It was a real pleasure to listen you, and I hope our paths cross again in the future. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. It has been a wonderful journey. Though I wasn't a prominent learner, म्हणजे मी तुमचे रेग्युलर सेशन्स नाही केले. आय एम रिअली सॉरी फॉर दॅट. बट मी लेटर ऑन यूट्यूबला कॅच ऑन केलेलं आहे. ऑल्सो मी असाइनमेंट्स नाही केले. मी त्यासाठी आता सॉरी म्हणते. दिस इज फ्रॉम प्रायर कमिटमेंट. But really, whatever you have made us learn, it is the rarest of the information, sir, and truly the need of the hour. It is really a very big thank you from the bottom of my heart. म्हणजे माझा जो एनरोल करायचा विचार होता तो तुम्ही ट्रूली सक्सेसफुल केलेला आहे आणि खूप खूप शुभेच्छा तुम्हाला. थँक्यू सो मच.
हॅलो सर,
Yes.
तुमचे सेशन खूपच छान झाले. थँक्यू फॉर ऑल द सेशन आणि इन्फॉर्मेशन.
गुड इवनिंग सर. एक्चुअली मैं MIT कॉलेज की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे ये आपके सेशंस के बारे में अग्रवाल सर से पता चला था. सो फर्स्ट थैंक टू अग्रवाल सर कि इतने मतलब इससे सच इतने वंडरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म में सर ने हमको अवेलेबल करके दिया और हमने ये सेशंस किए. समवॉट मैंने कुछ सेशन 2-3 मिस भी किए होंगे, बट उन सेशन को मैंने बाद में यूट्यूब पे जाके मतलब पूरा सुना था. और जब मतलब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम आपके सेशन सुने, फर्स्ट या सेकंड सेशन, तो मुझे ऐसे तभी बिल्कुल नहीं लगा कि जब अगर हम सपोज किसी के सेशन सुनते हैं तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि आप क्या बोरिंग है, क्या वही वही बता रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ. तो मेरे को आपके सेशंस के बारे में ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं लगा. तो मुझे मतलब ऐसे लगता था कि कब सर अगला टॉपिक बताएंगे, कब उसके बारे में बताएंगे, कौन एक्सरसाइज देंगे. और जो बेस्ट पार्ट था जो असाइनमेंट वाला, कि मतलब जब हम सेशन के बाद जो असाइनमेंट सॉल्व कर रहे थे तो उसमें हमको रिवाइज हो रहा था कि हमने क्या पॉइंट्स पढ़े, मतलब क्या आपने हमको बताए और हमको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करने. तो हमने उसके बारे में सब सोचा और उस बेसिस पे हमने पूरे आंसर्स दिए. तो मुझे लगता है वो बेस्ट पार्ट था और ऑल ओवर तो सेशन पूरा बहुत अच्छा हुआ. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, all of you. All the sessions were really wonderful. So congratulations team MIT and a special thanks to Avinash sir for such a wonderful motivational lessons. All the exercises and assignments given were really helpful for self-development. All the sessions were really helpful for knowing another side of ourselves. So all the assignments and sessions were really helpful for knowing my another side. So I'm really looking forward to organize such a workshop in our college with Avinash sir.